The jungle was silent, but suddenly, a heartbreaking cry echoed through the trees. A baby monkey was sitting alone, holding tightly to his injured leg. His mother was nowhere to be seen, and fear filled his tiny eyes. He tried to climb, but fell again, crying louder, hoping someone would come. Minutes felt like hours. Then a rescue team passing nearby heard his cries. They rushed toward the sound and found the helpless baby monkey shaking in pain. Slowly, carefully, they approached him. At first, he was scared, but he didn't run because he couldn't. One rescuer gently picked him up. For the first time, he stopped crying, as if he knew he was finally safe. They treated his wound, gave him food, and wrapped him in warmth. Days later, the same baby monkey was seen smiling. Sometimes, all it takes is one act of kindness to save a life.